Students, I would like you all to open your Wonder Math book and go to chapter number 6. I'm sure all of you can notice the heading written on the top left hand corner is time, which is our topic of study today. So, let us go through the pages one after another. I want you all to pay your attention as I start to explain the chapter to you. Chapter 6, Time. This is the first page of this chapter. I will send you the answers later. Now, turn into the next page, page number 2. See students, what we are going to learn from this chapter. Number 1. Say and write the names of the days in a week and the months in a year in the correct order. Number 2. Identify the minute hand and the hour hand of a clock. Identify analog and digital clocks. Number 4. Tell time in hours by looking at a clock. Number 5. Distinguish between events occurring at different times by using the words earlier, later, and before. Number 6. Tell the sequence of events occurred in a day. Number 7. Differentiate between events that take place for a short and a long duration. Now students, we are going to learn about order of events. Okay, I am going to read this page. Please listen and see properly. This is how Tara spends her Sunday. At first, she has breakfast with her family in the morning. After that, she visits her grandparents in the afternoon. After that, she returns home in the evening. She and her brother have a glass of milk each. She finishes drinking her milk before him. Next, at night, she has dinner with her family. Now students, come to this part. Here I have given a task for you. How did you spend the last Sunday? You will write the answers, or you will write how did you spend the last Sunday in this column. Morning, what you have done. Afternoon, what you have done. Evening, what you have done. And night, what you have done. Next day, Tara takes part in a race at her school. Students, these are the two pictures. This is picture 1 and this is picture 2. So, what we can see in these pictures? In picture 1, we can see that Tara is running in a race. This is the before part of these two pictures. And in picture 2, we can see that Tara has got a medal and she is standing on a second position. And this is the later part of these two pictures. Now students, I am giving you some examples by which you can understand about before time activities and after time activities. See, in number 1, what is instructed here? Some activities are done at a particular time on the day. Look at the activities shown below. Draw lines to match them with the time of the day when they are done. These are the activities. I have already drawn the lines. Now see the pictures. This is the first picture. What we can see here, Tara is standing in her school. This will be the next picture. What we can see here, Tara is learning with her friends. And this will be the next picture. What we can see here, she is taking her dinner with her family at night. And this will be the next picture and the last picture. What we can see here, Tara is sleeping. So these are the before time activities and these are the after time activities. Now one another example. Number 2. What is instructed here? Tara did the following activities during the last day. Arrange them in the correct order by writing numbers from 1 to 8. I have already written. Now see. Number 1. She woke up. Number 2. She brushed her teeth. Number 3. Got ready for school. Number 4. Got on the school bus. Number 5, reached school. Number 6, studied in the classroom. Number 7, had lunch at school. Number 8, returned home from school. So these are the activities, okay, before time activities and after time activities. I hope students all you have understood. These are some another examples. I will send you the answers later. Now students, we are going to learn about days of a week and months in a year. Can you tell me how many days in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. And how many months in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. But we will learn about 12 months later. A story has given here to let you understand about days of a week. So, I am going to read the story. Please listen carefully. Tara records the day-long activities for all the 7 days of a week. However, the pages are all scattered. She arranges the pages in the following order. What are they? Saturday as first, Wednesday as second, Friday as third, Tuesday as fourth, Sunday as fifth, Monday as sixth, and Thursday as seventh. But this order is incorrect. That is why in this conversation we can see that Tara's mother told her that, Tara, the order is incorrect. Sunday is the last day of the week. Tara replied to her mother as, okay mom, tell me more about days of a week. After that, Tara's mother told her that, sure Tara, there are 7 days in a week. Monday is the first day of a week. Your school starts on Monday. I hope students, all of you know that your school starts on Monday. After Monday comes Tuesday. After Tuesday comes Wednesday. After Wednesday comes Thursday. After Thursday comes Friday. After Friday comes Saturday. After Saturday comes Sunday. After Sunday, a new week starts from Monday again. Now come to this part. Here we can see that the names of the days are given here. This is the star and this is the dot. We will start from star and we have to end at the dot. The first Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday, then Saturday, then Sunday. A new week starts from Monday again. Now come to this part. We have seen that Tara has arranged the pages of the days in the incorrect order. But now we will help Tara in arranging the pages of the days in the correct order. So what we will write in first? Monday as first, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday, then Saturday, then Sunday. So these are the 7 days Tara has arranged in the correct order. Now students, we are going to learn about months in a year. Can you tell me how many months in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. Now the names of the months are given here. I am going to read the names. Please see and listen carefully. Number 1, January. Number 2, February. Number 3, March. Number 4, April. Number 5, May. Number 6, June. Number 7, July. Number 8, August. Number 9, September. Number 10, October. Number 11, November. Number 12, December. So these are the 12 months in a year. Remember students, January is the first month and December is the last month of a year. I repeat, January is the first month and December is the last month of a year. Now, come to these two questions. I hope students, all you know your birthday, isn't it? In which months does your birthday come? I hope all you know the answer, so you will write the answer here. Now, can you tell me which month comes before October? Yes, September comes before October. I have written the answer here. Students, look at the heading. What is written here? Tick tock, tick tock. Can you imagine? What about I am going to explain you? Yes, a clock. See, this is the clock. This is an analog clock. So we are going to learn about an analog clock. But before that, we can see here a conversation between Tara and her mother, where we can see that Her mother, early in the morning, wished her as, "Good morning, Tara. It is time to get ready for school. Come on, Tara. Hurry up. You will get late for school." Tara replied to her mother, "Mom, a little more time, please." That means she wants to sleep, sometimes more. After that, Tara asked herself, "Everything has to be on time. How can one know what time it is?" So, we are going to learn how we can see time and where we can see time. There is the clock in Tara's room. This is a clock. Look at the face of the clock. This is the face of the clock. It has numbers from 1 to 12. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. The clock has two hands. These are the two hands, number 1 and number 2. Such a clock is called an analog clock. So this is an analog clock. The long hand is the minute hand. This is the long hand and it is called minute hand. The short hand is the hour hand. So this is the short hand and it is called hour hand. Now, every morning when her mother calls her, she looks at the clock and finds that the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 7. Again, she was confused. She asked her mother, "Mom, you always wake me up at this time. What time is it?" Her mother replied to her, "It is 7 o'clock, Tara." Tara asked her mother, "How do you know, Mom?" Her mother explained to her, "When the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 7, we say that the time is 7 o'clock. Again, Tara asked her mother, "What time does my school bus come?" Her mother replied to her question that your school bus comes at 8 o'clock. So, students, here is the clock without the two hands. We have to draw the two hands to show the time when Tara's school bus comes. I have already drawn the short hand or the hour hand at 8 and the long hand or the minute hand at 12. So, it is 8 o'clock. Remember, students, the hour hand is shorter than the minute hand. So, we have learned about an analog clock. Now, come to this part. We are going to learn about a digital clock. I will explain you about this topic with the help of Tara's story. There is a clock at the reception of Tara's school. Look at the clock. This is a digital clock. The time is indicated by digits rather than hands. There are no hands. Such a clock is called a digital clock. So, on a digital clock, 9 o'clock is displayed as 900. Similarly, like I have already shown you in the previous slides in this video, 11 o'clock gets displayed on a digital clock as 1100. Likewise, 5 o'clock in the evening will get displayed on a digital clock as 1700. Now, we are going to learn about longer time and shorter time. Some examples are given here to let you understand about this topic. Students, I will explain this topic with the help of Tara's story. Tara does a lot of activities in the morning to get ready for school. She takes a longer time to finish some activities than others. Here are the examples. In the first picture, we can see that she is taking her bath. In this second picture, we can see that Tara is brushing her teeth. In this picture, we can see that she is taking her breakfast. And in this picture, we can see that she is drinking water. So these are the examples of longer time. Tara takes a longer time to finish these kind of activities than others. Tara understands the importance of doing her daily activities on time. Students, you should also keep track of time while doing your daily activities. Some another examples are given here to let you understand the differences between shorter time and longer time. I am giving you the examples. Number B. We can see here in this picture a girl is washing her hand. So, she is taking shorter time. In this picture, we can see that this girl is eating her breakfast. So, he is taking longer time. One another example I am giving you. Number D. This boy is drinking water or milk, so he is taking shorter time. In this picture, we can see that this boy is taking his bath, so he is taking longer time. So these are the differences between shorter time and longer time. I hope students, all you have understood this topic. So students, what we have learned from this chapter? Words such as earlier, before and later help us distinguish between events occurring at different times. Today means the present day, yesterday means the previous day, tomorrow means the next day. The days from Monday to Friday are called weekdays. Saturday and Sunday are called weekend. A clock or watch is called analog if it has moving hands and hours marked from 1 to 12 to show the time. A clock or watch is called digital if it displays time digitally, that is, using numbers. O'clock is used after a number from 1 to 12 to indicate the hour of the day or night. Some activities take a longer time to complete than others. So students, these are the exercises of this chapters. So I hope students, you must have understood what I have explained in our class today. Well, I will send you the answers and the solutions of the exercises related to this chapter soon. Till then, I'd like you all to go through this video several times so that you all become more familiar with the topic of time.